In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram-style animated captions in Premiere Pro. We'll start by getting your footage ready, bring your video into the project and drop it onto the timeline so you have a sequence to work with. If Premiere asks, choose to match the sequence settings to your clip for the cleanest results. Make sure your playhead is at the point where you want the first caption to appear. Now, open the Captions workspace by going to Window, then Captions and Subtitles. Create a new Open Captions track. Open captions are perfect for this because they're fully customizable and always visible, which is the look you see on Instagram Reels and Stories. Type your caption text into the caption clip, keep it short and punchy, think quick phrases rather than full sentences. You can split lines to improve readability. On the timeline, drag the edges of the caption clip to set how long it stays on screen. Shorter durations feel more dynamic, longer durations are easier to read. Select the caption layer and open the Effect Controls panel. This is where you'll animate the motion and opacity. With the playhead at the start of the caption, enable keyframing for opacity. Set it to 0% at the very beginning, then move forward a few frames and set it to 100% to create a fade in. Near the end of the clip, add another pair of keyframes to fade back out smoothly. Next, animate the position for that signature slide. Start the caption slightly below its final resting spot, set a keyframe, then move forward and bring it up to the final position. You can also go the other direction if you prefer a slide down. For extra energy, add a scale animation. Begin a touch smaller, around 90 to 95%, and grow to 100% for a subtle pop, or push slightly beyond 100 for a quick zoom, then settle back. To make everything feel polished, apply easing. In Effect Controls, right-click your keyframes and choose Ease In or Ease Out as appropriate. This softens the start and end of each move so nothing feels abrupt. If needed, adjust the timing between keyframes to match the rhythm of your edit. Head to the Essential Graphics panel to style the captions. Choose a bold, readable font, set a size that's legible on mobile, and pick high contrast colors. Turn on the background box, add padding, and round the corners for a clean, modern look. Make sure your text sits within safe margins so it won't get cropped on different screens. Finally, preview your sequence, watch the fades, slides, and pops together and tweak the speed until it feels natural. When it plays back smoothly, you've got Instagram-style animation